Hello and welcome to the OASIS Collaborative, where we are optimizing antibiotic stewardship in skilled nursing facilities. The OASIS intervention is a comprehensive organization-level intervention designed to improve antibiotic prescribing in participating skilled nursing facilities. This video complements a series designed to provide education about the OASIS intervention to nursing home staff. In this video, we will go over process checking and performance monitoring that will be used to ensure that the behavior changes necessary for redesigning antibiotic prescribing are taking place, and also to monitor the success of the intervention. The OASIS intervention modifies the structure and processes related to antibiotic prescribing in skilled nursing facilities by modifying the task, tools, and organizational influences that may contribute to introducing changes in processes to delay testing and treatment of residents that have a low-risk changing condition, as well as provide opportunities for post-prescribing antibiotic optimization to eventually reduce antibiotic starts, reduce antibiotic duration, narrow the spectrum of antibiotics prescribed when appropriate in order to reduce occurrences of C. difficile and antibiotic resistance. In other parts of this multi-video series, we've talked about the pre-prescribing and post-prescribing components that are used by staff. In this video, we will talk about process checking that's used at the manager level on a day-to-day basis, and performance monitoring that's used at top management level on a monthly and a quarterly basis. In terms of the process checking, we have a process checking tool that provides opportunities for error recovery and promotes continuous improvement of antibiotic use. The way that this tool might be used in daily stand-up meetings is to identify any event where an antibiotic is started on a resident and to ask systematically, was the pre-prescribing form used? Was the changing condition form used? If not, why was it not used, and what opportunities are there to recover from that? And if yes, was a review meeting scheduled? Did the review meeting occur? And if not, why did the review meeting not occur? If yes, was there a decision coming out of that meeting to continue therapy as prescribed or to modify when appropriate? This is the tool that might be used in the stand-up meetings to identify for each antibiotic start pieces of information that might be then aggregated to provide performance monitoring information at a monthly and quarterly level. Was the form used? If it was used, was risk assessed? Was there a low-risk changing condition? Was a urine culture ordered anyway? In the comments, one might indicate why that happened. Post-prescribing as well, was the form used? Was the primary provider notified? Was antibiotic review conducted? If it was, did the nurse identify opportunities to modify the order? And did the primary provider take those opportunities up? At the performance monitoring level, we have opportunities to improve situational awareness at the organizational level, building up from the process checking information on a day-to-day, so that we have a monthly and quarterly view of what is happening related to antibiotic prescribing, and we can identify problems and plan actions accordingly. One part of the performance monitoring is performance monitoring of outcomes, where the skilled nursing facility will be provided with information about antibiotic starts adjusted per 1,000 resident days for each month, as well as specifically fluoroquinolone starts. And in addition, we have aggregations of process-specific measures based on the day-to-day process information that is collected at the stand-up meetings. And we have a number of process measures that can be aggregated at the monthly and quarterly level, both in the pre-prescribing and post-prescribing, to identify instances where opportunities are missed to use the tools of the OASIS intervention to achieve desired process changes. In this video, we've discussed process checking and performance monitoring. The tasks described in this video are integral to organizational learning. For additional information on a background of antibiotic use in skilled nursing facilities, on the components of the OASIS intervention, including examples of how the components are intended for use, and the facilitated implementation used in this intervention, see the other videos in this series.